Dear meat, you were supposed to be a blessing, but you became our curse. Did you know that getting exactly what you want from God can actually kill you? Let me tell you about the deadliest case of answered prayer in history. Picture this: 2 million people camping in the desert. God's feeding them fresh bread from heaven every single day, but they're crying at their tent doors like spoiled children. We want meat. We want fish. We were better off as slaves. They called God's miracle food loathsome. Moses is having a breakdown. God's anger is burning hot. Then God says something chilling: I'll give you meat until it comes out your nostrils. A supernatural windstorm hits. Quail pile up 3 feet deep for miles. People are gathering frantically for days, stuffing their faces. But while the meat's still in their teeth, God strikes with a deadly plague. Thousands drop dead. They name that place Graves of Craving. Here's the lesson: sometimes God gives us what we demand to show us what we actually need. Be careful what you beg for.